Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Bobby with Nature Pacific Pest Services. We're over here in the Coffee Park area of Santa Rosa, and today what we're doing is some pigeon exclusions. So what's going on with this particular house is they have some solar panels on their roof. So you got the roof and solar panels sitting on top. The pigeons are getting underneath there and they're making a nest. They're also making just a mess with all the feces and urine that's going on the roof. So we are going to clean off the roof, disinfect and sanitize the roof. We're gonna do some exclusions with some pigeon bird wire mesh netting. It's gonna go around the whole front, back, sides of all the solar panels, and this is what it looks like over here. So right here we got our technician Richard. He's a rodent exclusion supervisor. He's cutting the mesh netting right now, and he's going to install it with clips that go onto the solar panels. So the great thing about these clips is there's no drilling, no screws, anything that would damage the solar panels or the roof. So he's bending it by hand so that it fits the angle and the pitch of the roof. And then he'll go and put that up against the solar panels, install the clip, and it'll sit right on the roof. Feces and urine, just like with rodents and other animals, raccoons and possums, when another animal of that species sees that or smells that, that's gonna invite them over, saying, this is a place where we can nest. This is a place where we can live. In recent years, we've seen an influx of pigeon activity, both on roofs and under solar panels here in Sonoma County, Marin County, Napa County, and these are all areas that we service. If you have solar panels on your home, or you're thinking about getting solar panels on your home, and you wanna do pigeon exclusion or preventative exclusion work, you can visit us online, naturepacificpest.com, and request a service.